Hello, Nan. Good evening. Hello, Nan. Hello, Nan. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah,
Oh, very good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice. I'm sorry to kept you waiting. Don't worry because we're still going to have 30 minutes class. All right. What did you do today?
And eat food. It's dinner.
You had dinner. Nice. What did you have for dinner?
I have a soup,
Mm-hmm.
rice, egg, and meat.
Wow, that's so delicious and healthy. Did you go to school today?
No, no, no.
Oh, all right. So, did you stay at home? Did you stay at home? Oh, what did you do at home? Did you play? Did you read a book? Did you watch TV?
I'm
What did you
playing.
do?
I'm playing. Play for computer.
What? What, Nan?
I'm playing for computer.
Play computer game. What do you play on the computer? Do you play Roblox? Do you play Plants vs. Zombie? Do you play? Do you play Mobile Legends? What do you play? What do you play? Hello, Nan?
I'm play game.
Yeah? Yes, Nan? What do you play on the computer? Do you play Roblox?
Yeah. Hello. I play overall
Mm-hmm.
Minecraft.
Oh, nice. You play puzzles. Puzzles are actually good for the brain. Anyway, for tonight, we are done with fruits. So tonight, we are now in Unit 29. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Okay.
All right. So this is about happy birthday. Okay. So when is your birthday, Nan?
Birthday.
Look, for example, me, my birthday is on February 28th. What about you? When is your birthday?
It's
It's
December.
December. Wow, December. It's 2 months from now. December what? December 20?
It's
25?
30.
December 30? Wow, it's like a new year. Almost new year. All right. Okay, so what are the things that we can see in a birthday? What can we see on a birthday, Nan? We can see cake. What else? We can see cake. What else?
I don't know.
What else? Okay, so let's learn so that you will know. I want you to look, listen, and repeat.
Birthday party.
Birthday party.
Board party.
One more. Birthday party.
Birthday party.
Nine. I want you to look at them. What do they do?
The birthday party.
All right, you say they have a birthday party.
Have a birthday party.
Very good. Okay. Are you going to have a birthday party on December 30? Are you going to have a birthday party?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice. Okay. So listen.
Balloon.
Balloon. Balloon. Say balloon.
Balloon.
Very
Balloon.
good. All right. Now look, how many balloons are there?
It's a pancake. I like pancake.
Oh, this is not a pancake. You
Cake.
say cake.
Okay.
This is not a pancake. A pancake is just circle, smaller than the cake. All right, so look, Nan, how many balloons are there?
It's six
How
balloon.
you say there are six balloons. Say there are six balloons. Look, how many balloons are there?
There's six balloon.
Very good. All right, now look, what is this?
It's a cake.
It's a cake. Very good. All right. So look, what can you see on the cake? Look, what can you see on the cake? What are these? Look, what are these? You say candles.
Candle. I don't
Very
like
good.
it.
How many candles are there?
There five candle.
Very good. Nan, listen, why do you put this Wednesday, October 8, 2025? Why do you put this?
I like.
Uh, just for nothing. Actually, the spelling of Wednesday is like this. Wednesday, October 8, 2025. All right. So, Nan, I want you to look at the birthday party. What can you see on the birthday party? What can you see on the birthday party?
I see a pancake,
No, you say it's
candle.
not a pancake. It's not a pancake. You say cake, cake.
I see a cake, candle, balloon, and
And
friend.
very good, Nan. Okay, so Nan, I want you to look at this one. So this is a pancake. Pancake. It's different from the cake.
Pancake.
Pancake and cake are not the same. Okay?
Okay.
So what do you like? Pancake or cake? What do you like?
Cake.
Pancake or cake?
Cake.
Cake. Nice. Okay, now listen.
Candle.
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 Very good.
Gift.
Gift.
Yes, yes.
Very good.
Invitation.
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 Very good. All right, so look, what are these?
It's a candle.
Okay, say these are candles.
These are candles.
Very good. All right, so how many candles are there?
There are 5 candles.
Very good. All right, so look, what are these? What are these?
Yun.
Look, Nan, what are these?
It's a grease.
These are,
Grease.
these are presents. Okay, so how many gifts
Present.
are there?
There. There are 3.
Yes, there are 3 gifts. Very good. Okay, so look at the candle. We light up the candle and blow happy birthday to you. We make a wish and blow the candle. Now look at the gift. Our mother, father, or friends give us gifts in our birthday. Okay, so what gift do you want to have on your birthday this December 9? What gift do you want to have on your birthday? What gift do you want to have on your birthday?
It's a toy.
Oh, you want to have a toy? What toy do you want? Do you want a toy car?
It's a
A
baby
ball?
tree.
Baby tree? What is a baby tree? A baby doll?
Yes.
Oh, a baby doll. All right. Now look at this one. What is this?
It's a invitation.
I want you to say, okay, listen and repeat.
Invitation. In
Invitation.
vacation.
One more.
Invitation.
That's right. Very good. We actually give invitations to our friends, to our cousins, so that they will attend our birthday party. Okay, look, you are invited to a birthday party of Nan on December 30, 2025. Like that. Okay, so Nan, look and answer. When is your birthday? When is your birthday, Nan?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You say, my birthday is in
My birthday is in December 30.
30. Very good. When is your sister's birthday? When is your sister's birthday? When is your sister's birthday?
It's my birthday.
When is your sister's birthday? Sister,
No.
you don't know? It's okay. Okay, so Nan, what do you want for your birthday? Do you want to have a birthday party? Do you want to have balloon? Do you want to have gifts? An invitation? Cake?
I have a
Candle?
pizza.
A pizza? Very good. What else?
Candle.
Candle. Nice. How many candles do you want?
One candle. Two candles.
One candle. Oh, two
No, one candle.
candles. One candle. Okay. What else? What else?
It's pancake.
Oh, nice. Very good. Pancake. Oh, you really like pancake. All right, now look. What can you see at a birthday party? Look and read.
I
What
can
can you
see a
see?
cake, candle, and balloon.
That's right. Very good. Now look at this cake. Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Yes, the cake is beautiful. Very good. Now look and answer. What can you see at a birthday party? I can see. Listen in. What can you see at a birthday party?
Okay.
I can see.
I can see a candle.
Very good. What else? What else,
I can
Nan?
see. I can see a cake.
Very good. What else?
I can see a pizza.
Nice.
I can see spaghetti.
I can see
I can see a spaghetti.
spaghetti. Very good. We can see candles, balloons, cake, gift, invitation, spaghetti, pizza, and the people. Of course, there are people at the birthday party. Okay, now look and say, what are these?
They are red.
Very good. You say gifts. Gifts.
Gifts.
Nice. These are presents. Okay, so gifts and presents are the same. Same. Okay, now look. It's a card. Nice. Why? What are these?
It's a balloon.
You say these are balloons.
Be a balloon.
Balloons.
Balloon.
Very good. What is this? What is this?
It's a cake.
Look, Nat. What is this?
It's a cake.
Very good. Now it's a invitation. Wrong. Very good. Why? What are these?
It's a candle.
Very good, Nan. Nice. Can you give me a high five? High five. Okay. So I'm going to give you 4 out of 4. That I'm going to give you what do I have? Oh, just 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I want you to look at this one. Look, listen, and write your answer. What can you see? Look and write your answer. What can you see? What can you see? Okay, so how do we spell balloon? Balloon.
It's.
Balloons.
It's.
I can see balloons. Okay, now look. What can you see? I can see a cake. All right. There should be a cake. Okay, now what about this one? What can you see? What can you see? All right. It should be an invitation. I can see an invitation. All right. Now look at this one. What can you see? What can you see? Okay. I can see gifts or presents. You can say gifts. All right. So I'm sorry because you don't get any points in here. Okay, now let's look at this one. How many balloons? Is it one or many?
Many.
Many. So we add S. One, two, three, four, five, six. So we add S. If it's only one, no S. Okay? Now look, how many cake? How many cake?
One
One.
cake.
All right. So no S. Very good. But we use a cake. Okay? Now look, only one invitation. But look at the first letter. It's I. If it is A, E, I, O, U, we call it vowels. If it is letter A, we use an. If it starts with letter E, we use an. Letter I, invitation, an. For example, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. So look, the first word starts with A, E, I, O, U. We use an. All right? Now look, how many presents? One or many? One or many? So many. One, two, three, four, five, six. So we add S. Okay, Nan?
Okay.
All right. So for tonight, we learned about birthday, birthday party, balloons, cake, invitation, and present. So you got 4 stars. Okay, so thank you so much for joining our class. I'm going to give you balloons. Ta-da! Then, of
Okay.
course, I'm going to give you a pizza. That's your favorite. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.
Goodbye.